If most kids love chocolate milk drink more than just cocoa drink, for most adults like me, I believe it's the opposite. We prefer chocolate drink without the milk. In this video, I'll show you how to make your own sweetened cocoa powder using just 3 simple ingredients. Of course, no preservatives, no artificial additives, just pure chocolatey goodness. Perfect for both hot and cold chocolate drink, even with coffee, and a great alternative to store-bought brands. Here are the ingredients you'll need to make 1 kilogram of sweetened cocoa powder. 600 grams powdered sugar, 398 grams cocoa powder. You can use either natural or alkalized cocoa powder. And lastly, 2 grams iodized salt instead of ordinary salt for added health benefit, especially iodine for thyroid function. Here's how simple it is to make. First, weigh all the ingredients accurately. For powdered sugar, I need 600 grams. For cocoa powder, 0 first. I need 398 grams. Iodized salt, I need just 2 grams. Second, mix in a clean mixing bowl or plastic bag and blend thoroughly. So, mix. After blending, sift the mixture to remove lumps and ensure a smooth texture. So again, sifting is a very important step. After sifting, transfer your finished mix into a clean, airtight container and store it in a dry place at room temperature. So you have your sweetened cocoa powder ready. You can adjust the ratio of sugar and cocoa powder depending on how sweet or chocolatey you want your drink to be. Add more cocoa for more chocolatey flavor, or add sugar for sweeter drink. If you want, you can also try natural, nutty flavors like macadamia, hazelnut, or almond flavors. And that's how easy it is to make your own sweetened cocoa powder at home. Try it today and see the difference between homemade and store-bought cocoa powder. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Homemade Processed Foods. And watch out for my next video on how to make sweetened condensed milk using just 2 simple ingredients. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Do you drink coffee every morning and prefer it with milk but want cheaper and homemade option? Today I'll show you how to make smooth oat milk using just 2 simple ingredients. Welcome back to Homemade Processed Foods. You know, my wife loves drinking coffee with milk, and her milk of choice is oat milk. If you're like her, whether for taste, health, or budget reasons, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to make oat milk at home using just 2 ingredients. No additives, no preservatives, and no special equipment. For the ingredients, you only need 1 cup rolled oats and 4 cups cold water. That's it. First, place the rolled oats and the cold water into the blender. So for the oats, I need 1 cup. Into the blender. Then 4 cups cold water. Then blend for about 30 to 40 seconds, just enough to break down the oats. Then strain the mixture using a fine mesh strainer or a clean cloth or nut milk bag. Then transfer the oat milk into a clean, airtight container. And so you have your own oat milk made at home. Store it inside the refrigerator, and this oat milk is best consumed within 2 to 3 days. If you want to improve the taste, you may add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey for light sweetness or a pinch of salt to enhance flavor. You can also use this oat milk for tea, smoothies, and breakfast cereals. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Homemade Processed Foods. Thank you for watching. God bless. Do you know you can make sweetened condensed milk at home using only 2 simple ingredients? And it looks, tastes, and works almost exactly like the store-bought kind. If you watched my previous video, you saw the more traditional version. But today, I'll show you an easier alternative method. Perfect for beginners, busy moms, and anyone who wants faster and convenient recipe. So let me show you how easy this really is. To make 1 kilogram of sweetened condensed milk, you only need 450 grams of refined or powdered sugar. Powdered sugar is preferred to easily dissolve. And then you also need 550 grams of liquid milk. You can use full cream, skim milk, or 50-50% blend depending on how creamy or on the amount of fat you want your condensed milk to be. That's all. Just 2 ingredients. First, weigh your ingredients. Accurate measurement helps achieve the right sweetness and thickness. So for the sugar, I need 450 grams. For the milk, by the way, I'm using full cream milk, 550 grams. Then cook over medium heat while stirring continuously until the sugar is completely dissolved. Once the sugar has fully dissolved, set the heat to low, and continue cooking continue stirring to prevent scorching and slowly this also helps thickens the mixture. You cook until you reach a slight caramel color and a thick creamy consistency. Actually, cooking using this method takes a bit longer than the traditional version. It's because we're using liquid milk. But I think we're closer, maybe a minute more, and then we're done with the cooking. So this is our cook, sweetened condensed milk with the color and the consistency that I want. Let it cool first before transferring to an airtight container, and you can store this inside the refrigerator up to 1 month. You can adjust this formula according to your taste. Want it sweeter? You add more sugar. Want it thicker? Cook longer. Want it more creamier? You use more full cream milk powder. I think our sweetened condensed milk has already cooled, so we'll transfer this to this clean airtight container. So that's how easy it is to make your own sweetened condensed milk at home. So it's ready. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss my next videos. Thank you for watching, and God bless.